Students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, today I will teach you division concept, that is division by one digit number, that how to divide a number by one digit. Yes, so be ready to study with me. Take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Here students, today's topic is division by one digit number. Here you can see one example relating to this. 246 divided by 2. This is a symbol of division. 246 divided by 2. Yes students, we will do this division with your dad, mom, sister, brother, relatives. We will do the division with the help of your dad, mom, sister, brother, relatives. We will take D from here, M from here, S from here, B from here, and R from here. While doing the division, these alphabets will help us. D for division, M for multiply, S for subtract, B for bring down, and R for repeat. Dad's D division, mom's M multiply, sister's S subtract, brother's B bring down, and relatives R repeat. Yes, now see, when you will follow these 5 steps, you will do the division sum easily. Yes, first step is of division. Yes, this is the question given to us, 246 divided by 2. Here what to do? Now you can see this is only one digit. So from the number that is given to be divided by 2, yes, from there we will take one digit only. Means this 2 will be divided by this 2. Means the first step is of division. We will divide 2 by 2. First step is of division. We will divide 2 by 2. After that, this step we have done, means we are going to divide 2 by 2. Second step is of multiply. While doing multiplication, we will write the table of 2. Yes, and we will find out the 2 here. Yes, we need to be divided 2 here. So from 2's table, where is the 2? Here is there. 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2. When we are doing multiplication, 2 ones 2. Yes, means we have done multiplication. Yes, 2 ones 2. We will write here. Yes, now what is our next step? That is subtract. Now 2 minus 2 we will do. We will subtract these both 2. Yes, then we got 0. Yes, then we got 0. Yes, now next is bring down. Bring down means we will write the next digit downside now. Firstly it is written with 2. Now we will write this downside. Here when subtracted we got 0, and the next digit is here 4. Yes, it has become 0, 4, and no number starts with 0, so it doesn't matter for us. We will observe only as it is 4 here. Yes, now repeat. Repeat means whole of the process we will do again. Yes, now second step, while doing the this division, what we will do? First step is of division, means we will divide 4 by 2. We will divide 4 by 2, means 4 will be divided by 2. Yes, this we have done. Next is multiplication. Now we have to got 4 from the table of 2. Yes, now we will do multiplication. 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4. We got 4 here. So it is 2 twos the 4. We have done multiplication, 2 twos the 4. So how we will write? 2 twos the 4. Yes, we have done this multiplication. After doing multiplication, next step is of subtraction. Now 4 minus 4. What we will do? 4 minus 4. We got 0. We have done this subtraction. After subtraction, what is the next step? That is bring down. Now 6 is there. We will bring this digit down. Now 0, 6 is there. 0 doesn't matter for us, so only 6 is there. Yes. Now next step is to repeat. Now again we will do all these things. Yes, now here is 6. Our next step first is division. Now 6 will be divided by 2. Now 6 will be divided by 2. This 6 will be divided by 2. Then after this concept, there is the next step, that is of multiplication. Now we will find 6 in table of 2. Here we find this. Yes, 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4, 2 3 the 6. Here we have done multiplication. 2 3s the 6. Yes, now 2 3s the 6. We will write here 6. Now next step is After doing multiplication, next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6, it is 0. It is 0. Subtraction we have done. After that, there is the step that is repeat. We cannot repeat here because all the digits we have brought down. Yes. So firstly 2 is divided, then 4 is divided, then 6 is divided. With the help of these steps, first is division, second is multiplication, then subtraction, then bring down, then repeat. Yes, now see one more example relating to this. Firstly, you can see the question 743 divided by 3. Firstly, first step is division. Dad's division, mom's multiply, sisters subtraction, brothers bring down, and relatives repeat. Yes, here is divisibility by 3. Yes, we have to divide the number by 3, so we will write the table of 3. 3 zeros the 0, 3 ones the 3, 3 two the 6, 3 threes the 9, 3 fours the 12, 3 fives the 15, 3 six the 18, 3 sevens the 21, 3 eights the 24, 3 nines the 27, and 3 tens the 30. Yes, now here we will follow first step, that is division. So here first step we have written, first digit is 7, we will divide 7 by 3. Yes, now you can see here is 7. Now see the table of 3. We have to do multiplication, we will find out 7 here, and you can see there is no 7 here. So what can be written under 7 so that it can be subtracted? Why? Because our next step is of subtraction. After multiplication, our next step is of subtract. So here we can do only subtract when there will be the digit written under 7 will be less than 7, then only subtraction will be possible. So from this table we will find out that which number can be written here. Yes, you can see here 3 3 is a 9. 9 cannot be written under 7 because subtraction will not be possible. So we will write 6. So we will multiply 3 2's the 6. 3 2's the 6. After that, firstly division, 7 divided by 3. Yes, then multiplication, 3 2's the 6. Then next is subtraction, 7 minus 6 1. Now what is the next? Bring down. Bring down means next digit we will write here and we will bring it down. We will write it here. Now it has become 14. It has become 14. Now again next step is of bring down. After bring down, the next step is of repeat. Now we will repeat all these 4 steps again. Yes, now here first step is of division, means here 14 will be divided by 3. Step of division is there, means 14 will be divided by 3. This is the division step. Next is of multiplication. Now we will see the table of 3, that what number can be written under 14 so that that can be subtracted. And here we can see 15 cannot be written, and before 15 there is 12, so we can write 12 under 14 because then it will be possible to subtract it. Yes, now you can see here is 12. 3 zeros the 0, 3 ones the 3, 3 twos the 6, 3 threes the 9, and multiplication is 3 fours the 12. This is 3 fours the 12. So here we will do multiplication, 3 fours the 12. Yes, then next step is, after multiplication, next step is subtract. We will do subtraction. Yes, you can see here 4 minus 2, 2 will be there, 1 minus 1, 0 is there. 0 doesn't matter for us, means only 2 is here. Now next is repeat. Now again these 4 steps we will repeat. Yes, sorry, after subtraction there is next is B. B means bring down. Now next digit is 3, so we will bring down this digit. Yes, so it has become 23. It has become 23. Now after that, next step is repeat. Now we will repeat all these 4. Firstly division, then multiplication, then subtraction, then bring down, then after that repetition of all these 4 steps. Now first step is divide. Yes, division is there, means 23 will be divided by 3. This is the first step. Next is multiply. Now we have to write here one number that must be less than 23 so that it can be subtracted from it. Now you can see here, here is 24. 24 cannot be subtracted from 3, so we can write 21 here. So we can write 21 here. So 21 is there. 3 zeros the 0, 3 ones the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3s the 9, 3 4s the 12, 3 5s the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 7s the 21, 3 7s the 21. So here we will do the multiplication. 3 7s the 21. Yes. Next step is of subtraction. After doing multiplication, next step is of subtraction. So we will do subtraction. 3 minus 1, 2 will be here, and 2 minus 2, 0 will be here. 0 doesn't matter for us. Yes. So here is 2, and next step is bring down, and you can see here no digit is here, that should be bring down here. So our division is over. When we have brought all the digits down, so then you can see we have brought up to 3. There is no digit after that, so our division is over. Yes, then nothing is there to repeat or anything else. Yes, and you can see here this 2 left to be divided, and it is called remainder. It is called remainder. This left number is called remainder. Yes, hope you have understood this. Now see one more example relating to this, that is 72 divided by 4. That is 72 divided by 4. Yes, here again we will repeat all the steps. Firstly we will write the table of 4. 4 zeros the 0, 4 ones the 4, 4 twos the 8, 4 threes the 12, 4 fours the 16, 4 fives the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 sevens the 28, 4 eights the 32, 4 nines the 36. Yes, and the steps: dad's D, mom's M, sisters S, brothers B, and relatives R. Division, multiply, subtraction, bring down, and repeat. Yes, now here we will write one digit. 7 is there. Now 7 will be divided by 4. Means our first step is of division, that is 7 divided by 4. Then second step is multiplication. Now we will write one number under the 7, so that must be subtracted, and we will find out from the table of 4. Yes, you can see here 8 cannot be written under 7 because it cannot be subtracted. So what we will write here? We will write here 4. Yes, we will write 4 under 7. And how we will do multiplication? We will write 4 ones the 4. So how you will do? 4 ones the 4. This product, this multiplication we have done. 4 ones the 4. Yes, after multiplication, next step is of subtraction. Now 7 minus 4, it will be 3. When we will subtract 7 from 4, when we will subtract 4 from 7, we will get 3. Yes, now what is the next step? That is bring down. B for bring down. Next digit here in the question, it is 2. We will bring down side to it, so that it has become now 32. It has become now 32. Yes, after bringing down, the next step is of repeat. Means all these 4 steps must be repeated again. So here first step is of division. Now 32 will be divided by 4. 32 will be divided by 4. Yes, this is the first step of division. Then multiplication. While for doing multiplication, we will see the table of 4. We will see here is what can be written under 32, and here we found that 32 can be written under 32. Yes, 4 zeros the 0, 4 ones the 4, 4 twos the 8, 4 threes the 12, 4 fours the 16, 4 fives the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 sevens the 28, and 4 eights the 32. We found this number, so we will multiply 4 eights the 32. 4 eights the 32. Yes, after multiplication, next step is of division, subtraction. After multiplication, next step is of subtraction. So here we will do subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And you can see here this subtraction is done. 0 is there, and there is not any other digit to bring it down. So our division is over. We got here quotient as 18. So our answer is 18. In the previous sums, you can see what is our answer. Here you can see 123 is our answer. Yes, and here you can see 247 is our answer, and 2 is remainder. You will write quotient. Answer of division is called quotient. Quotient is 247 and the remainder is 2. Yes, and in this question What is the quotient? Here is quotient is 18 and there is remainder, that is 0. Yes, quotient is 18, the answer is 18 and the remainder is 0. Yes friends, now see one more example relating to this so that you can understand the concept of divisibility properly. Yes, 168 divided by 6. So how you will write this? Firstly we will write only 1. This is to be divided by 6. Yes, we will write like this, and here we have written the table of 6. 6 zeros the 0, 6 ones the 6, 6 twos the 12, 6 threes the 18, 6 fours the 24, 6 fives the 30, 6 six the 36, 6 sevens the 42, 6 eights the 48 and 6 nines the 54. Yes, and the steps that we have to follow, those are dad's D, mom's M, sisters S, brothers B, and relatives R. Division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down and repeat. Yes, so here firstly we will do division. Now 1 is to be divided by 6, and you can see here in the table of 6 what we can write under 1 so that it can be subtracted. Only 0 is there. Only 0 is there that can be written under 1 to its subtract. Yes, so we have found it division, that 1 is to be divided by 6. This is our first step. Then second step is multiplication. Now we will do multiplication. From the table we found that 0 can be written. So how you will write? 6 zeros the 0. 6 zeros the 0. Then our next step, multiplication we have done. Next step is subtraction. Now 1 minus 0, it will be 1 only. 1 minus 0, it will be 1. We have done subtraction. Then next step is bring down. Bring down to what? Next digit, that is 6. We will bring down this like this. Now it has become 16. Now it has become 16. Now next step is to repeat. Now all these above 4 steps will be repeated. First is division, means 16 is to be divided by 6. This is our first step. 16 is to be divided by 6. Now second is multiplication. From the table of multiplication of from the table of 6 we will find out that which number can be written under 16 so that can be subtracted. From 16 we cannot subtract 18, so this number can be written under 16. Yes, 6 zeros the 0, 6 ones the 6, 6 twos the 12. So multiplication is there. So 6 twos the 12. We have done multiplication. Then next is subtraction. 16 minus 12. Yes, subtraction is there. After subtraction, bring down is there. So firstly we will do subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4 is there, and 1 minus 1, 0 is there, and this 0 doesn't matter for us. Now bring down is there. Next is 8. Now 8 will be written here. That is to be brought down side. Yes, now it has become 48. After bringing down the digit, that is to repeat. Now 48 is to be divided by 6. Now 48 will be divided by 6. Now we will see the table of the 6 for the multiplication step, and you can see here 48 is there. This is 6 eights the 48. So we will do multiplication. 6 eights the 48. Yes, after doing multiplication, next step is of subtraction. Now 48 minus 48. Yes, then bring down is there. Firstly we will do subtraction. This is 0 and here is not any other digit to that should be bring down, so our division is over. And here what answer you got? Quotient we got, that is 28, and the remainder that we got, that is 0. And the remainder that we got, that is 0. Yes friends, hope you have understood. Do the practice of these sums. These are very important sums for you. Yes, do the continuous practice of these sums and hope for your best. Have a wonderful day ahead.